Hey guys, Mr. Carney here, trying to help eliminate some of the confusion where you guys should be sending your work from Mrs. Johnson. So I'm going to make a short video to help both you and her on where we should be posting our assignments for her. So I'm going to use 8A Spanish as an example. So she had a video for you guys to watch the other day, Edpuzzle video. What I did was extended the time because I know there's still a few people who are waiting to join the class. But if you guys click on classwork at the top, you're going to see anything that's assigned that's due. You guys click on view assignment. Over here on the right hand side, you're going to see a spot where you can mark it as done, but also where you can add files as well. This is where you guys should be submitting your work. So I know she had asked you to take some notes on the video and to do it in Google Docs. A lot of you already did that. You clicked add or create here. Now this will give you the option to either upload something already on your computer. So maybe you did something in Word or Google Docs already and you saved it to your computer. Maybe it's in your Drive already and you want to share it from Google Drive. But it also gives you the option to just start a Google Doc right from this spot within your assignment that's due. So if I click Docs here, then a Google Doc is going to pop up where I can start typing my notes in. Okay. Once it's done, or once I'm done typing my notes in, I can X out of it and it's still saved right here where I added or created it. So even if I wanted to go back and add some more stuff to it, if I click on it again, my work there is still saved. When I'm finished taking my notes or I'm finished typing in my doc, at that point is when I would click turn in. I would finalize that. And then at that point, Mrs. Johnson will receive your work and she'll be able to see that you've taken your notes in Google Docs and you've turned it in. Let's say it wasn't a Google Doc or anything Google related, but you needed to take a picture of something and submit it. There's a couple different ways that you could do that. Again, we go to add or create. If you have an iPhone and you have a Mac, any pictures that you could take, you can AirDrop right onto your Mac, and then you could upload the file right from there. Otherwise, any pictures that you take, you can actually send them right to your Google Drive, and then you can upload them from this point here as well. Hope this clears up some of the confusion. This is where you guys should be posting or turning in any of your work that Mrs. Johnson asked you guys to complete.